Just going back to the package from thumper lock picking that I received this morning. We're going to have a go at picking this paclock 200A, and there's the, I'm not even used the keys on it yet, there's the bitting on the key, very nice. And let's see if we can get into it. So we're going to be using top of the keyway and this olive wood handle pick that I made a while back. So let's get this into view. Click on one. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Another little click on one, click on 2, click on 3, little click on 4, click on 5, little click on 6, nothing on 1, click on 2, click on 3, 4, something's holding me up, I'm not sure what it is at the moment. 1, 2 and 3 are set. Click on 5 and we're in offer 6. There, that was very nice. So we better give it a gutting. Set this up down here. We've got my paclock Allen key, which was sent to me along with the paclock from Lock Picking's gal. I haven't got a clue what's in here. Well, I knew what I could feel, but we'll see. See if I'm right. So it's the standard kind of setup for like all the American 1100 clones and the like. So you've got a nice little kick cylinder. I will lock it up as soon as I have the key. And use the 10mm side on the gut wrench. Maybe. Quite fiddly on some of these because they're quite thin circlips. So we'll turn in that way, stick a shim in. Oh, and where's my followers? Looks like that one will do. Okay, so pins are towards me. So he's fully pinned up with 6 pins, very nice to see. So pin 1, serration. Pin 2 is a standard. 3 standard. They're only standards because they're a bit short for serrations. Another standard. Another standard. And a tiny little standard. So obviously no mods to the core. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. It felt quite fun. So we got some lovely deep serrations in number 1, spool in number 2, deep serrations in number 3. I'll show you all of these in a sec. a shallow spool in that one. It's not quite as deep as the number 2. Other serrations and a long standard. I'm sure the pins are, the springs are all standards anyway, so we'll dump those out. Yep. So that was the paclock 200A sent to me by Thumper Lockpicking. Very much appreciated. It's actually a very, very nice blue anodised padlock, 2 inches wide, and there's the pins. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.